Konnichiwa from Mike's Organic Cafe. Today I'll show you this delicious Japanese green matcha ice cream made with mushroom matcha with lion's mane and ginger, and of course no processed chemical cheating ingredient. First step is to grab your ice cream maker and turn it on so it goes cold with the gelato attachment. Ingredients are 1 tablespoon mushroom matcha with lion's mane and ginger for brain health, 3 tablespoons of hot water, 2 large egg yolks, 5 tablespoons erythritol or monk fruit sweetener. Powdered sugar is best, so blend erythritol if you only have the sugar crystals. I'll use xylitol because I ran out of the others. 3/4 cup unhomogenized full fat milk, or use coconut milk 1 can. Milk works best, but we're not all Japanese and can't take the estrogen, so don't eat it often. Make sure it's a post-workout or a post-long fast so it's less damaging. 1 tub of cream whipped, 200 grams, and optional organic choc buttons for extra crunchy flavor. Step 1. In a small bowl, whisk hot water and matcha tea powder together and set aside. Step 2. Place the egg yolks in a medium-sized saucepan. Lightly whisk the egg yolks. Note, do not heat the pan yet. Step 3. Add the sweetener in the pan and mix with the egg yolks until well incorporated. Step 4. Gradually add milk or coconut milk to the egg and sugar mixture and mix well. Step 5. Grab another bowl, fill it with cold water and ice for cooling the mixture later. Then place the pan on low heat and heat the egg mixture, stirring constantly to make sure it doesn't burn. Step 6. The mixture will not thicken because I put xylitol, not processed sugar. Processed sugar thickens because it caramelizes, then incorporates with the sugar in the milk. This may taste better, but it makes it much more unhealthier for your body. I learned the hard way, but I'm trying to educate people to use organic ingredients because they are less harmful to the body, so stay healthy, happy, and most of all, strong mentally and physically. And don't worry, organic ingredients always find a way to work out. So keep stirring on low heat until the mixture incorporates fully and almost boils, and then turn it off and remove the pan from the heat and place it on the ice bath to cool. Step 7. Add the matcha powder and water mixture into the egg mixture and mix well. Continue to cool the mixture in the ice water. Step 8. You need to whip the cream so that it is slightly thick. I just grab my blender and put it for a minute or 2. Step 9. Add the whipped cream into the egg and the matcha mix. Gently incorporate all ingredients using a spatula until it's mixed. Step 10. Pour the ice cream mixture into the ice cream maker and let it make the Japanese matcha ice cream. It should take around 40 to 50 minutes. I added organic choc buttons for extra crunch. Close the lid, set the timer, and let it create beautiful, silky smooth matcha ice cream. Step 11. Here it is. It turned out so nice and it's not too sweet. Serve right away or put it in an airtight container and freeze. Note, if you want to use coconut milk instead, you need to know it solidifies like a rock. So I suggest eating it right away after dinner, and don't forget to add a serving of vanilla collagen protein post-workout too. Then enjoy. Itadakimasu. Be seeing you, organic foodies.